Hi guys, so the famous actor Rutger Hauer is just died at the age of 75, and he was a Dutch actor, writer, environmentalist, and known for his ability to infuse role with both determined action and pensive intelligence. He acted in both Dutch and English language TV series and films, and today I'm going to watch one of his performance from the movie called Blade Runner, the 1982 movie. And apparently this scene is called as Tears in the Rain, and Rutger Hauer added the Tears in the Rain line to his monologue in Blade Runner, so he improvised, right, basically. And it's saying here that the scene brought the whole crew into tears, so that should be some kind of performance, right? So anyway, let's go and check out his performance in that. Just check out this scene, okay? Yes, that is it. The real life. Rutger Hauer. So he's helping him. Okay.
See things you people wouldn't believe. Attack ships on fire off the shore of Orion. I watched sea beams glitter in the dark near the 10-house gate. All those moments will be lost in time, like tears.
The rain.
Time to die.
Wow. Whew. Ooh. 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 Man. So he basically improvised that scene? Is that what you're saying? Wow, that's just amazing, man. That's just amazing. Wow. So Rutger Hauer, and rest in peace. Man. I didn't watch this movie, and I didn't watch any of I think any of Rutger Hauer movie, if I'm correct. So, but man, this scene, it is, if he's improvised this, man, he's just awesome, right? He's awesome. Wow. So anyway, rest in peace, Rutger Hauer. You will be missed, and that was an epic scene. That was really an epic scene.